I have a Honda 2-horse here on a Skidoo on Crystal Lake here. And I got my little GPS. This thing, if you have looked on my channel a little bit, I have another video with this boat with a old Evinrude 2-horse. And this one goes a lot faster. My overall review is not that great as it doesn't have neutral. So right as you start it, it goes this fast. So it goes about 6 miles an hour right off the bat. So it's not the best. I recommend getting a Yamaha. It has, or Mercury, it has neutral and forward. Way better. I believe this is a 2006 model. Yeah, it doesn't have the throttle, the throttle grip. Has the same thing as the old Evinrude. So let's see, my max speed was, now I can't go full speed on this lake as there's no wake. So I might, later on I might move to a different lake. But otherwise, yeah, barely even getting off start is 6.2. So what I believe it goes faster because there has the Evinrude has a more shallow prop. Alright. See you next time.